Why is the UK getting closer to China, at a time when the United States is warning the world to stay away? For the first time in 8 years, a British Prime Minister has visited China, and this time, it wasn't just about diplomacy. Starmer arrived with a powerful delegation of UK business leaders, tech founders, and cultural representatives, signaling a major economic reset between London and Beijing. He even told the group they were making history. At the center of this visit was a bold message. Starmer said the UK needs a more sophisticated relationship with China, one that balances economic cooperation with national security and democratic values. In simple terms, trade where possible, caution where necessary. And the economic outcomes were significant. China announced visa-free travel for British citizens for up to 30 days, a major boost for tourism and business travel. Tariffs on UK whisky exports were reduced, giving British producers better access to the world's largest consumer market. And pharmaceutical giant AstraZeneca announced a $15 billion investment in China, one of the biggest British corporate commitments in years. But this wasn't just about money. Starmer also raised sensitive issues, including human rights, Hong Kong, and political freedoms. A clear signal that the UK wants engagement with China, but not at the cost of its core values. Not everyone welcomed the move. Former US President Donald Trump warned that closer UK-China ties could be very dangerous, reflecting growing tensions inside the Western alliance. Washington remains deeply concerned about China's global influence, and Starmer's visit highlights a quiet shift. America is decoupling. Britain is recalibrating. This visit shows something bigger. Western countries are no longer moving as a single bloc when it comes to China. Instead, they are choosing national interest over collective strategy. For the UK, this means new markets, new investments, and new diplomatic risks. For the world, it signals a future where global power is no longer centered around one alliance, but many competing partnerships. Starmer's China visit may not grab headlines today, but in hindsight, it could be remembered as the moment Britain quietly redrew its place in the global order.